Olongapo.
Basta radyo, ibandera mo!
And yes, you heard it right. Basta radyo ibandera mo. Alright. Good evening, everybody. Good evening. Happy Three Kings, Olongapo City, Bataan and Zambales, and Happy Three Kings, Philippines, my Philippines, buong Pilipinas. Uy. Kamusta? Balitaan ulit, ha? Tuesday edition of this radio show, January 6, 2026. Welcome to Radyo Bandera, 107.1 News FM, Olongapo. Ayan, balitaan. Uy, latest news, ha. Viral ngayon yung yung nag-away na dalawang driver. Well, allegedly, according to ito lang yung nabasa ko doon sa mga nag-post, nag-share. Driver ng Victory, yung isang driver, no? Victory Liner bus na nakaupo, nakita sa video, nakaupo, nakikipagmurahan, no? Tapos yung isa sumampa, yung driver ng tricycle. Ang sinisigaw nung nandoon na, nagmumurahan sila. Ang sinisigaw nung driver ng tricycle na sumampa dun sa bus, maraming tao raw yung madidisgrasya niya, sabi niya. Claim niya dun, dun sa ano. And then syempre back and forth, sagutan sila. Sabi hindi po sa akin lang nanggaling to, nakita at napanood ko yung video eh. So sabi pa maraming tao yung mapapatay mo. Ngayon, syempre sumasagot yung ang medyo off lang doon, ang medyo ako on a personal note, hindi ko nagustuhan yung sinagot nung driver ng bus. Sabi niya, sabi niya, kahit papatayin. Kahit mapatay ko kayo, wala kayong masasabi, parang ganoon. Parang wala kayong mapapalag. Pero ang exact word niya is kahit mapatay or kahit papatayin ko kayo, wala kayong masabi. Yun yung exact words niya. Yan. And I'm not trying to, give it a different color or different Yun, base lang doon sa video, ha? Parang, if you're driving public transport, no? Kahit na yung tricycle siguro, kung public transport man yan, to hear words like that, na kahit mapatay ko kayo, parang medyo off yata yun, Di ba? Parang hindi hindi nararapat eh. You're holding lives doon sa nakasakay sa'yo kung public transport driver ka, no? Medyo mahirap yung ganun, no? Na ganun ang pananaw mo. Medyo hindi ata ako agree. Nandun na ako, galit kayo, nagmumurahan kayo, nagsasalita kayo ng as long as within the yung gaya nga nung claim nung mababangga daw siya, muntik na raw mahagingan kasi sabi, tapos ang bilis nung bus. Within those things, mag-usap kayo. Ayun, loko ka, ang bilis mo. Tapos sagot naman ng isa, mabilis man ako, nakaharang ka, blah, 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 blah. Maaaring pareho silang may mali sa sagutan lang. Pero yung makarinig ka ng kahit mapatay ko kayo, wala kayong masasabi. Parang ang ibig niya sabihin, siguro wrong choice of words lang, Ibig sabihin walang magagawa or parang gano'n, Ba't ganun? Hindi dapat ganun. Anyways, it is what it is. Viral yan ngayon, nag-trending ngayon, lalo na dito sa atin sa Olongapo related pages, no? Okay, ayan. Yan yung paunang balita ko sa inyo. Chismis agad, no? Chismax. And also, syempre, unahin na natin, unang-una na sa lahat. Happy birthday kay paring Jimmy Gunob-Gunob. Our rock and roll brother. Happy birthday, pare Koy. Yan. Yan yung father ng ating DJ Nicole ng yung katatakutan program natin, Ayun. Yung nakakasyokot na program natin dito dati, if you guys still remember, no? Yan. I hope she will be back, si Nicole, kapag hindi na busy. Busy na uli sa school, eh. Yan, okay? But anyways, on with today's holidays and observances. Alright? January 6, 2026, brought to you by Angel's Pizza Olongapo. Get the Sulit Bundle promo, 2 big family-size pizza and 1 medium-size pizza, magkakasama, and 1 liter pink lychee lemonade, kasama pa, plus APC card kung wala ka pang APC card for only 1,049. Now available at Angel's Pizza Olongapo. Okay? So, check it out. Now available for delivery and advance order, and you may call para sa delivery and advance orders. Ito yung new numbers nila. They got new numbers, I think. 0967-164-4650. Tsaka 0967-164-4646. Located at number 395 Rizal Avenue, West Tapinac, Olongapo City. Katabi lang nung bungad. Nasa bungad lang ng 4th Street yan, The corner. Yung front corner of 4th Street. along Rizal Avenue. That's where they are at. Kaya daling hanapin, daling puntahan. Ano? Sulit Bundle Promo, 1,049 only. Today's holidays and observances, January 6, is Bean Day. Okay, bean, as in bean. And you guys know, coincidentally, birthday din ng yung gumaganap na kung tawagin Mr. Bean. Nagkataon lang. Hindi naman tungkol sa kanya to eh. Bean, this means bean, yung beans, you know, the food, okay? And of course, January 6 is Epiphany Day. Carnival Day, all right? The carnival. I don't know why. Dahil because of the Three Kings, I think it's related. So aside from the Three Kings Day, these are the other observances. I'm a mentor day. Okay, mentoring is great. Being a mentor is cool. It's awesome. Okay, Technology Day, January 6. Shortbread Day. And Armenian Christmas. I don't know why. In Armenia, ngayon yung Christmas nila. Perhaps the Three Kings are from Armenia. Baka. I don't know. Yan. Yun lang. Just a few. Holidays and observances for January 6. All right. 2026. Once again, brought to you by Angel's Pizza Olongapo. Also, you may also visit their official Facebook page to check out the menu. They're more than just pizza. Hindi lang pizza ang Angel's Pizza Olongapo. Di ba? May mga iba pang combo meals and a whole lot more.